Okay, number 4 on the STAAR ready says a utility line runs underground through Shane's backyard. Shane is not allowed to dig within 3 feet of the utility line. The diagram below shows the dimensions of Shane's backyard in feet. The dashed line represents the utility line. Dimensions is just a fancy word for measurements. Okay. Then it says, what is the area? So that's the important part. They really want to know what area is, and it's the part of the backyard in which Shane is allowed to dig. So here where it says no digging, we're not finding the area of that part. So it's this right here, and then maybe if I have the time, or if it matters, I would find this little space as well. Let's solve and see if it makes a difference. If I use 22 times 17, that's this entire area, which we don't want to find the entire area, we just want to find out this space. And that measures 14 by 17, so that's the first thing. And if you're not quite sure what the formula is for area, make sure you're using your formula chart, and we're going to do 14 times 17. I'll go ahead and put that larger number on top. 4 and 7 is 28, 4 and 2 is 6, add a 0, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 1 is 1, 8, 7, 14, 13, 238. So now, when I look at my answer choices, I know that this isn't the entire area that they're wanting me to find, because there's that little strip over here, but there are definitely some answer choices to get rid of. 238 means 59 is way too tiny. 238 also means 102 is too tiny. And honestly, look how small this space is. There's no way I'm going to get all the way up to 374. Because the difference between these two is too much. So I'm going to safely guess that this is my answer. Now if you really wanted to, you could figure out that this 14 plus this 6 makes what, 20? That leaves with 2 feet as a measurement here, and that would be 2 times 17. And you could work that out, add it with your 238, and get your 272.